Hi everyone, tonight I'm going to cook zucchini schnitzel melts, which is also again from the Coles magazine for March. So it's got panko breadcrumbs in it, parmesan cheese, plain flour, eggs, zucchini, butter, olive oil, cherry tomatoes and mozzarella. I found that it was a really good recipe. A couple of changes I would make: instead of the cherry tomatoes, I would just put a passata over the top of it to give it a richer flavour, and I would also add some salt. There was not really any salt in the recipe and it just needed that bit, but I might have a saltier palate. It took around 50 minutes, so a little bit longer than the 30 minutes suggested, so just keep that in mind, but it does definitely feed six, and it's a great alternative to a meat option, especially when there is hard to find meat on the shelves these days.